What's up guys, welcome back to another AIRSOFTCASA gameplay video. This video is a little bit different. As you can see here, I'm currently in like a full auto match with AngryJoe. So stay tuned to find out what happened.
Go, go, go.
He really is angry. Interesting.
Center! Dude, you're dead! Center! Anybody else? Alright. Let's go get him. Dude, I shot him, right?
Yeah. No,
and then
I was shooting him as you shot him.
Well, yeah, so I just shot him a second ago, right? Okay. Yeah. He called himself out, and I go to surrender a kid, and he starts shooting. I was like, dude, you're dead. Get out of here. Like, you can't come in the middle of, you're gonna actually respawn.
Also, it's probably important that I tell y'all that I had no idea who AngryJoe was at this point. As I'm playing, I just currently had a problem with him not calling it and getting angry, which makes sense now.
Inside? Oh, it's stuck.
You gotta go out. I think they all locked up.
Oh. Yeah.
And then you're spraying the entire zone, and you've already been hit. And I count how many shots you fire after you've already been hit. You've been hit at least 20 times by the entire team.
Oh yeah?
All right?
I just didn't see a head or anything.
You've got a camera, I've got a camera.
Yeah, I know. I can't wait to post you on there.
If you want, we can review it right now. Bro, you're playing as if you're playing against experts. Look at who you're playing with, man. Seriously.
Don't get mad.
Bring it back.
I ain't gonna.
Mad.
Yeah, you
Right,
better,
I'm mad. I'm
better
sorry,
cut it down. It's BB Wars.
I know, but you two take it serious.
I mean, I came up on you,
can't
shot
be
you like 10
serious
times,
now.
and then you kept shooting me.
I
So
can't be serious
It
now.
was the same
You were
thing.
out
Dude,
for like
you
20
got
seconds
out.
when you were railing him.
I shot you like
wouldn't
10
leave.
times. There's 3 people
Then
behind me
you shot
watching
back
you.
at me and I shot
Yeah,
back
I went.
at you. That's why
Right,
we
I got you 10
were
times
following
before.
each other.
So, as you see here, I shoot him about 6 times before he gets his first shot off. But what I didn't know in this moment that he was full autoing me the whole time.
Be the bigger guy. Hey, let's walk away. Come on, let's just walk away. We're better than this. Come on.
So, I do want to say that I don't have any, like, real beef with AngryJoe. Honestly, I would just like an I'm sorry and maybe like a formal apology to everybody for acting like this. But other than that, I mean, just call your hits, guys. Like, it's not that hard.
Hey, is that your mag too? What's over there?